Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share a range haul with you guys. I recently watched a video by the lovely Donna. She shared some bits that she picked up from the range, mainly paper pads, and as soon as I saw them I knew I had to pop to the range and see what they had in my local one. Donna's channel is PayPaling with Don, I think. I'll leave the link to her channel down below. Please go and show her some love and check out her channel. But yeah, so I popped into my local range and this is what I found. The paper pads, they had so many. I did get quite a few, but I didn't get every type of one they had. The ones I didn't get, they had a black, white and pink one. I didn't get that one, and I think they had a black and white one as well, which I didn't get either. But I picked up the other ones that they had, Christmas themed, that is. So this one is Fun Christmas, and they're all 12 by 12s, and I think, I'm not sure if some are double-sided or one-sided, but I just loved the images on this one. So you got these. I'll just do a quick flick through all of them so you get to see the papers. Some have got like foil, that's got a bit of foil on there. This really cute one. Yeah, so that's that one. I then picked up this one. This one's is called Gonk's Christmas. And again, I think there's some like foiling on some of the pages, some of the papers. So that's that one. Then I had to get this one as soon as I saw it. So it's Highland Cows. This is really pretty. A lot of these papers are so these are all double-sided, but some are like one sheet, kind of like a big design on one page. You'll see what I mean. So like that, really pretty image. So great if you were doing like a box, making a box or something, you could put that on the front. And then they've got some that are like 6 by 6 size. Really pretty images, super cute. So that's that one. And then I got this one because I thought it'd be quite nice to have some sort of backing papers. These are very sort of more plain than the other ones, but are great for like backing papers. So that's that one. That one's called Traditional Christmas. And then the last Christmas one was this one, and this is called Gingerbread. And again, you got some like foil on some of them, but really pretty images. That's really pretty. I like that one. That one. So yeah, really pretty. So they're the Christmas ones, and then I did see this one, which was Halloween, but they didn't have this last time I went. I didn't see it in now. So this is called Cute Halloween, and it's more pastels. I'm not seeing pastel ones in the range before. I know obviously Halloween's gone and that, but I just thought for next year I can put it away and use it then. These are double-sided as well, obviously 12 by 12. But it's really pretty. I just loved all the papers in this one. I love this one. How cute is that? I thought it was really cute images, and you could fussy cut them if you wanted to. Yeah, really pretty. I wish they had like stickers and things like that in this, but I couldn't find any. So that was the papers. Then a few other Christmassy bits I picked up. This was actually reduced, so it says £2.99, but it came up as £1. I don't know why. But at the till it came up as £1. It's a 24 DIY advent calendar boxes. I think they're all, yeah, all Santa boxes. Obviously you get 24 in there. You get 24 of the little pegs. Obviously you get the numbers as well. You get golden ribbon and a sheet of stickers as well. So I got those, and I thought that was quite good actually. I thought I could use these on, I wasn't actually going to use it for an advent, but I just thought instead of maybe crackers over Christmas for a meal, just to mix it up, instead of having crackers on the table, we could have these. So that's kind of what I got it in mind for. Then, oh, I found those as well to go with the plates. I thought they were really cute. Some ghost napkins. I found these stickers, gingerbread stickers. I thought they'd go nice with the paper pad. These are kind of like thick foam stickers. So I got 2 sheets of this for £1. Yeah, so they're really pretty images on there. And then the last little note paper pad I picked up was this. They only had one of these actually in this style. They didn't have this in a 12 by 12, they only had it in this size. It just says Christmas. It's just like pastel-y blues, silvers, whites. I thought it was really pretty, so I picked up that one. Then picked up some more of these silicone, like for resin. So I recently picked up, let's see, I recently picked up this one, alphabet one, and I also picked up this one. As you can see, I have used this one. I tried using these glue sticks, the glittery coloured ones. That did not work. It just didn't, I didn't like the way it came out. I then tried using glossy accents because I thought that'd be quite good, but no, that didn't work either. So I went back, when I went to the range, I found the actual proper stuff to use, which is the epoxy resin. So I am going to give that a go, and hopefully they come out better. So this was, I want to say $29.99 in there. So yes, so I'll let you know and show you if they're any good, how you use that. But while I was in there, I also saw this tray, which I thought would be quite nice, to make some molds for. That was $1.49. And then I saw these coasters as well, and I thought that would be really good because you could put like glitter and all sorts in it. Yeah, so I thought I'd give that a go. And these, I want to say, oh, they're $1.99 as well. So I've got those. And then the last thing I picked up was a glue gun, because when I was making the resin things, squeezing out the glue sticks, I ended up snapping this part. So I had to go and get myself a new glue gun. This one's a cordless. I've never had a cordless one before, so I don't know how this is going to be. It was $7.99. Comes with a stand, this one as well. but we shall see what that's like. And that's it, guys. That's all I have to oh, sorry guys, one last thing I picked up. I've had these last year and I think the year before, and I just picked up another one. They're $2.99. How many do you get in here? Does it stay on there? 40. So yeah, so you must get 10 of each colour. So I thought they were quite good to have another set of those, because I know they do sell out quite quick each year. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button as well. I really appreciate everyone that's following me and subscribed to my channel and leaving comments on my channel. It really means the world to me. You taking the time to watch my videos and comment. And as always, guys, I will catch you in my next video. Have an awesome week. Take care. Bye.